tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a combined coupon that will apply both free shipping and discount using the AvaCoupon extension for VirtueMart and Joomla. So first you need to create two coupons, one for free shipping and one for discount. You click Add New and we will first start with coupon for 20%. So this will be some coupon. You can generate code or you can have some code just for 20% and you enter 20% here. You can set up expiration of this coupon or leave it like this so it will work forever. And then you can limit use of the coupon for number of uses per total customer order and so on. You can also limit it to certain products or categories. You see, per category, manufacturer or other options, or just for certain customers that already exist in your eShop, certain countries. There are many options that allow you to limit this coupon, but we will leave it very simple. This is just 20% coupon, and I click Save. And we have previously created some free shipping coupons, but I will show you again. I click New, then I click Shipping, then I create new coupon that is only for free shipping, and it will be 100%, so it will deduct the price for shipping. And again, you may limit it or leave it just simple like this. So this is free shipping coupon, and I save it. And now I want to create a new coupon that combines those two coupons, free shipping and 20%. So I create new coupon, I select combination. Again, I set up a code that will be entered on the card, so it will be like this. And now it will be coupons, free shipping, shipping gratis, and then the other coupon was 20, disc 20. So this coupon will again include those two, ship gratis and disc 20. I don't want to limit it any other way, and all that apply. And I click Save. And this is a coupon that applies both shipping and 20% discount. You can see it applies two coupons. That's it.